should share a little bit about me. I started a company where I started manufacturing this little product that was niche and nobody else was doing. And it was in between these two markets. And there was a hole there. And I just, popped up and started producing this little thing. I grew really quickly, quicker than this was my first time around. I didn't know anything about business. And the way that I would fix problems would to be like, oh, we need to make these faster. Well, you could only do 2 a day, so we need 4. Let's hire someone else, And I started hiring people. That was my solution to everything. Next thing I knew, I had a ton of employees. Most of them were standing, looking at me for answers, and I didn't have a lot of answers. Didn't have time to figure out, And so very quickly, I got to the part where I didn't know where I was at. I didn't know if the company was profitable, if I was making money, if I, was bloated in one side, if I had too many people, the financials, I had no idea what was going on. And so that was essentially the problem, and it bankrupted me. Like the first company just went down it didn't go down as quickly as it started, because it kind of started overnight. And in the span of 2 months, I think I had to hire like 20 people kind of thing. All my friends, that was another one of my mistakes. I hired all my friends and family. That's a big no, right? Big no for that. Because then what happens is that you don't want to let them go when things start going bad, because they're your friends and family, And so essentially all the money, all the profits, all the money that the company had generated in those like first year or year and a half or whatever, then essentially I just spent it, giving people jobs that didn't need, that I couldn't afford to, that weren't making me money.